Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and right now I'm taking this video from the front-facing camera of Huawei Nova 3 smartphone that comes with 24 plus 2 megapixel camera setup. Nova 3 front-facing camera is capable of recording 1080p Full HD videos, and it also comes with time-lapse feature and many various entertaining AR lenses as well. You can also record videos with beautification mode on, but it will reduce the video resolution to 720p HD only. For pictures, there is portrait mode provided, there is moving pictures, AI, and HDR Pro mode is provided for both videos and pictures. So right now I'm just trying to give you an idea if you're going to use Huawei Nova 3 for taking selfies or videos or video calling. So how good or bad will be the picture quality, the video quality. So just a quick demo of the front-facing camera capability of Huawei Nova 3. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks, enhancement videos like this. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.